What is going on? So this is how to create Tonkeeper wallet in Telegram. So the first step is to download Tonkeeper application, whether from App Store, Google Play, Chrome extension, whatever. So you're just gonna download it as an application. It's preferred. So you're gonna set up your wallet, and once installed, open the Tonkeeper app and follow the setup process. Make sure to write down and safely store your passphrase. Choose a password for your wallet. Third, you're gonna link your Telegram wallet. After setting up your Tonkeeper wallet, you can link it to Telegram account. This will allow you to interact with Ton network and execute activities. Verify your wallet. Ensure your wallet is ready for use by sending and receiving Ton and other supported assets through your Tonkeeper wallet. Additional tips: Tonkeeper is not custodial wallet, offering enhanced privacy and security as you hold the private keys. As a decentralized application, Ton aligns with the principles of blockchain technology, allowing direct interaction with the Ton network without intermediaries. You can access the same Tonkeeper wallet across different devices such as desktop computers and smartphones, making it portable and convenient for managing your funds on the go. And that's all you need to know.